Back at you again, again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Alrighty, got a set of new door locks for the vet. About to install it. Alrighty, now we got the lock installed. As you can see, it's locked. Got the key right here. Let's unlock it. Alrighty, there it is. Got my lock on. You can open it. There it is. Alright, I got it where I had to do an adjustment on the latch on the inside because it wasn't coming back when you lock and unlock. So you can see the little mechanism going inside where the door lock is at. Okay. Got it now. Let's try it again. We don't want it to get jacked up when the customer get in the car to lock it. Okay, that should be locked. As we can see, that is locked. Okay, let's try to unlock. And it opens. I'm gonna put some grease in the door. Now we can get in and out. Now you can see down there in the track on both of them. We're gonna put some grease down there. That's gonna help the door when the window roll up. Alrighty, I got the door panel. I took some awesome and cleaned it. I got some interior spray to paint that back blue, make it back dark. Okay, this is the driver's side door panel. I put that vinyl paint, interior paint on the carpet. Compared to this side. Different color, guys. Okay, let me go on and clean this up. By tomorrow, this will be dry. Alrighty. Got my driver's side door panel on. Got the carpet and vinyl paint on. And that's the difference in the color. This is the passenger side door. And once again, the driver's side door. Next, we're going to be working on the steering wheel.